Hello, my name is Michael and welcome to my channel Slow Banjo, where I have a lot of videos with music where I'm playing. I don't normally talk, but I had so many questions about which tuning I'm using in several of the videos. Especially one of the videos, the song called Slow Banjo in the Rain. And I'm going to show you that, and then I'll also show you which tuning I'm using in other videos. So in the song called Slow Banjo in the Rain, I'm using an A tuning. It's kind of a special because I only use 3 strings, which is something I just found out myself. I made it a little bit more simple, then I could be more free to improvise and play freely. So the first string is A, and then E, and then A again. So actually, if I play something on the high A string, I can play exactly the same on the low A string. So I just made up that tuning myself, and then I made that song from that tuning. I'll get back to that one in the end of the video. I will show you also which tuning I am using in other songs. If I'm playing more like old, like traditional jazzy stuff and old kind of ragtime style, I would use the tuning called Chicago tuning, which is D, G, B, and E. And that's actually the same like the top 4 strings on the guitar. So if you can play guitar, you can play this tuning also. So this is an old song called A Kiss to Build a Dream On that I have heard originally with Louis Armstrong. And then I have another tuning I'm also using. It's the open G tuning. It's a very common tuning in bluegrass on the 5 string. So this tuning is, we have a G here, and D, G again, B, and D. The tuning used for bluegrass, and most people play with the picks. I also did that a lot, but now if I want to be more melodic and slow, I will just use fingers with no picks. So let's go back to the first tuning, kind of my own, the one I made up myself. And the song Slow Banjo in the Rain, it's made like of a pentatonic, like a minor pentatonic, so it has a little bit of sads. And in the recording I start also to humming along with the melody. So this works very well for those kind of moody drone kind of songs, and you can also play in major. I like to play in major also. Yeah, so I think that's what I wanted to tell you about the different tunings I'm using, and if you're interested, I could make a video with where I go through the whole song, Slow Banjo in the Rain. Many people have been asking for tabs. I don't normally make tabs, but yes, I'm thinking about if I could make it for at least for that song, so that it would be more easy for people to learn how to play it. So that's all for now. Bye bye.